buddy. We worked very hard on this build.
Looks really good.
I appreciate it, man.
It's kind of cool the way the cones are on those. A little bit bigger, it feels like.
Yeah, they're a little bit bigger.
They make them look like 10s, but they're 12s.
Right,
yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
Excuse me.
What's going on, man?
How you doing, man?
All right, all right. I've been waiting for you, bro.
Oh, yeah? Okay. Your name and all your equipment.
My name is Jim Ergood. I am the president of Team Compensate.
Okay.
Right? All my equipment is a 2013 Chevy Cruze. I have a big 3 upgrade on the motor.
Yep.
I just installed a Sundown Audio 3500 for the subs. The subs are wired at 2 ohms. I have a DS18 4-channel, putting out about 150 per channel.
Sure.
Right? I got DS18 in the front, 6.5. They're 250 watts RMS. And when I put those in, the back cut out because they're lower powered. So there you go.
Okay.
Yeah. They got an old school Kenwood PVC.
Yep. Did you build this?
Yes, sir.
Nice and sealed off, rolled?
Yes, sir.
You know what it's tuned to?
It is, it's a little high, but it's about 40.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Me and buddy, we worked very hard on this build.
Looks really good.
I appreciate it, man.
It's kind of cool the way the cones are on those. A little bit bigger, it feels like.
Yeah, they're a little bit bigger.
They make them look like 10s, but they're 12s.
Right,
yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
I'm very happy with those subs.
Nice.
I picked them up a week ago.
Yes, sir. I'm going to go look at the amp in the back.
You're welcome, man.
Yes, sir.
I hope to see it, man.
Yes, sir. I got a lot of videos, but I'll be sharing it.
I hear you.
Yes, sir. What's up? I'll get it, Gemma.
What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. I hope you enjoyed the quick little walk around we got of Jim's sound system. Looking forward to showing y'all how it sounds. He was showcasing it at the Team Deadly Hurt show in Virginia in 2021. Go ahead and give him a like if you haven't already, as well as comment. Give him some positive feedback you like about his system. I really like the overall cosmetic splatter look of the box, as well as it is fully sealed off, and it has a nice optimal amount of subwoofer cone area to trunk space, being 12-inch subwoofer, so he got optimal space to fit dual 12s in this trunk wall. If you notice, he actually has all of the battery bank and amplifiers in the back. He didn't have the amplifier wired to 1 ohm, so he's only getting around 30 to 40% of the full power from this subwoofer amplifier. Rated at 3,500 watts RMS, but probably around 12 to 1,500 watts max if he turns it up all the way. If you notice above the box, right where the trunk lining is, he actually added another baffle to really seal off to the trunk. I see a lot of people do these trunk walls, subwoofers, and port facing in the cabin. If you can have your seats down, that's probably going to be most optimal unless you're going for full SPL. Some people would also do aero ports. I don't know the exact specs of the subwoofer, but they are the WDX line from DB Drive if you want to Google it. And lastly, the port is on the driver's side, so all that pressure is going to the passenger as well as on the SPL meter if they ever decide to burp it. And the optimal amount of space, well-braced box. So we're going to go and get to the cardio bass demo now. Shout out to Jim for the great demo. If you haven't already, consider subscribing for daily car audio videos and enjoy.
I'd love to hear it, man.
First put up in that 4 and it was late at night. Unless you think you got a amazing.
really good.
I appreciate it, man.
It's kind of cool the way the cones are on those. A little bit bigger, it feels like.
Yeah, they're a little bit bigger.
They make them look like 10s, but they're 12s.
Right,
Yeah.
exactly.
Yeah.
I'm very happy with those subs.
Nice.
I picked them up a week ago.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you for the demo.
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you.
You're welcome, man.
Yes, sir.
I hope to see it, man.
Yes, sir.
I hope to see
I
it.
got a lot of videos, but I'll be sharing it.
I hear you. I'll be checking it out.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.